Welcome to my YouTube channel. We're excited to have you here. Stay tuned for great content.
Top 4 New Collection Coffee Grinders Review 2025.
Number 4.
Loading coffee beans, 90 gr or more number of grinding levels, 11 or more power source, electric power, W280 housing material, stainless steel model number, BG30/270 certification, CB, C, Rose, Seiso type, Burr grinders, Conical, brand name, SE High origin, mainland China. Specialty Coffee Association award-winning grinders, Baratza grinders are preferred by coffee professionals and backed by Baratza's world-class support.
Number 3.
Precision grinding settings with 30 precise grind settings, you can adjust the thickness of the powder freely. Advanced and durable conical burrs provides the perfect control over the grind size and uniform grinding for full coffee flavors. Large capacity A180G large capacity coffee bean hopper can meet the demand for 15 to 18 cups of coffee at once. Less mess anti-static technology to reduce static charge and mess.
Number 2.
The iTop TCG64 electric grinder is a high-performance coffee grinder featuring 64mm flat burrs, designed for precise, quantitative grinding. Suitable for espresso and other brewing methods, it offers consistent grind quality. Operating on 220V or 110V, it ensures efficiency and durability, ideal for home and professional baristas.
Number 1.
Product features: 119 bar high pressure, extract more grease. 2. Automatic cleaning inside the machine. 3. Beans and flour are dual purpose to meet different needs. 4. Multi-level grinding, choose the thickness according to your hobby. 5. Wireless intelligent control.
Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, Takrim Media, for more exciting content. Please. Thank you for watching.